Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some delicious corned beef and cabbage. So here I have a can of corned beef. You can use any corned beef of your choice. Cabbage, Adoba all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, sazon Clasico all-purpose seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Also, I have a piece of onion, thyme, garlic, scotch bonnet, tomato, scallion, 3 different color bell peppers, and a carrot. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare my cabbage. So first thing, I am going to remove the outer leaf and I will be throwing that part away. And then I am going to cut my cabbage into halves, in which I'm going to cut the halves into small pieces. So watch carefully how I cut my cabbage to prepare this dish. So this part of the cabbage, you don't want to put it in your dish because it's very hard. And I am going to add all my cut cabbage to this colander. Then I will be washing the cut cabbage with salt water. So this is how you want your cabbage to look when you're through with the cutting. So I went ahead and I washed my cabbage, and below I set a bowl so that the excess water can drain from the cabbage. Now I'm going to cut the other vegetables that I will be adding to this dish. I went ahead and I had my pot to the stove, and I'm adding a tablespoon or 2 of oil, after which I'm going to add all my vegetables and seasoning. Then I'm going to give it a proper stir and cover it to steam. You want to check your vegetables continuously and stir your vegetables continuously because you want your vegetables to cook evenly. Meanwhile, my vegetable is cooking. I'm going to open my corned beef. But before I open my corned beef, I normally wash my can. So this is the key that comes with the corned beef, and this is how you set the key to open it. Normally, it comes this way, but you have to take it off and turn it the other way to open the can. So watch how I open the corned beef. It's very, very easy. After removing the corned beef from the can, I break it apart before I add it to the vegetables. My cabbage is now cooked, so I'm going to add my corned beef and I'm going to give it a proper stir just to incorporate the cabbage and the corned beef. Then I'm going to cover it for around a minute. You don't want to cook it for much longer because the corned beef is already cooked. So you're just warming it up at this point. So I'm going to have this with some white rice. So if you see me in the corner over there, I'm just checking my rice. You can have this with boiled dumplings, bread, whatever you choose. But today I'm going to have mine with some white rice. So there you have it. My corned beef and cabbage is ready. And I'm going to plate this up so you can see what it looks like on a plate. So if you like this dish, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and cook with love always.